Hey, this is Chris Fit. We're going to show you how to work the abductions, adduction muscles, the inside muscles, and your booty. So this machine here is going to work it out. We're going to use this machine. I'm going to show you how to do it, and then I'm going to show you how to do it at home. So come on, join me. All right, first we're going to put our legs here. Make sure, set, move the bar, opening our legs here just enough so that we have enough space to feel comfortable opening our legs and yet enough strength to push it closed. We're going to set up the weight then. We want to start off with the light weight to get used to this feeling. And we're going to bring our knees in slowly until we're like sitting down, like as if you're in an airplane. And you're opening your legs again, not slamming, but there you go, just slowly. You can hold on to the bar if you feel more comfortable. Now we'll suggest doing 3 sets, 15 sets each. If you're beginning, try 7 to 10. Release the bar, come back to normal position, relax your legs. That's it. Now I'm going to show you how to do it at home if you're not at the gym. But we don't have a machine, we're at home. What do we do? Well, they have nice sliders you can put under your shoes or your socks. But for us, let's say we don't have one. We use our socks. But make sure you use your socks that are not something you care about. So you're going to grab onto a chair or sturdy couch or anything that is strong enough to hold your weight. And what you're going to do is you're going to start off on the insides. You're going to creep your way outside where you're comfortable enough. And this is where you're going to be comfortable. This is where I'm comfortable. So what we're going to do next, we'll make sure our weight is here. And we're going to just lift up. Put your weight up here a little bit so you can slide a little bit. So it's just enough. Once you get the motion, come back out and pull. So if you're on hardwood floor, I'm having a hard time right now sliding back. But we should come back here and slide out. You're gonna start working your muscles there. Woo! I'll say it's a good workout. Try to get the products down below that help you slide if you're on carpet or if you're on hardwood floor. Make sure there's no splinters. Okay, well, see you guys next video. Be sure to subscribe and I hope to see you guys in the next video. Let me know in the comments below if you would like this workout or if you want to work out something different. Let me know. You guys still here?